to channel Code Camp with Fatma Ali. This is Fatma Ali speaking. I am here with a new tutorial for you guys as promised for Roblox Studio. What is a Roblox Studio? How to download it? What to do on Roblox Studio? And whatever questions pop on into your mind, just comment below and let me know. And I'll make sure I'll answer this into your next video. Okay, let's begin. So, Roblox Studio is actually a gaming platform. All right, you can play games online as in a 3D effect and much more. It's a really interesting game for all ages, and you can actually develop your own game using Lua language. That is a text based language that is scripting. So, what you can do is you can download the Roblox Studio from from Google, and what you can do, you can just explore it and you can learn the Lua language, and it's really pretty easy to understand and develop your own version of game, whatever creativity comes in your mind. So let me show you. uh okay, over here I have like open Google Chrome, okay, and google.com. Over here it's like go to Roblox Studio download from Softonic. Make sure you go to the correct website. Over here, let it come. Just a second. It will take you to the option. Just remove these ads for a moment. Click on this one. Yes, it will take you to Roblox Studio. Simply, okay, come on. I think this is the only option it's giving for now. Okay, free download for Windows. Yeah, that's the one. So when you visit Softonic website, over here you have a Roblox Studio free download option. You can free download for your PC. But for me, I have already downloaded, and you have to create your account when it's downloaded and installed. If you really want, okay, let me do that for you guys for a second. It says your download has begun. Okay. Okay. And see, let it launch it. Smooth. Okay. For the first time, it will give a little bit. It will take some time for you guys, but for me, I have already downloaded, but for you guys, I'm doing it again. So it's installing the Roblox Studio. Let's wait for it. Okay. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. I would highly appreciate your efforts on it. Turn on the notifications bell. That would give you instant update for the latest tutorials on this channel. All right, so let's just wait for this for a moment more, and it's gonna open it. Okay, it's configuring right now. It keeps going through some steps which is required for Roblox Studio. Yeah, it is up to date. All right, one, two, and here it is. This is how the Roblox Studio has been installed and now about to run. So let's just minimize the window. Sorry about that. There you go. Okay. There you go. Okay, when you're on this Roblox Studio, it will ask you to create your account if you haven't set up. If you don't have any account and you're the first time using it, just ignore this for a moment. So that is when you're going to create your account, and it will take you to the website. You will create your account. It will ask a few questions, really simple steps, and then you can come back to Roblox Studio and sign in using that account. When you sign in using that account, I have already set up my account as Divine Fairy Tales, as you can see on the right side, top right. It's just a random name I came up. So this is the actual look of the Roblox Studio. We have new, we have games, we have recent, the games that you have developed recently. You have been working on the files, archive the ones you have saved. Okay, these are the templates that are basically used for the first time to develop some games to begin with it. And from among these are the theme related ones, and the gameplay are these one: racing, obby, runner, line runner, and combat, and stuff like that. So let's begin with the first: base plate. Simple. Okay, let me click on it. There you go. Just a second. It's loading, so we will have to wait. Okay. For first time users, it can take a little more longer than this. It depends on the speed of your computer and how many tabs. Make sure everything is closed when you're working on Roblox Studio because it's a heavy software. Okay, so it does require a lot of space, and that is going to load on your put a load on your computer. It can actually crash it if you just don't, if you have open so many tabs and stuff like that. So make sure you close everything when you're working on Roblox Studio. Okay, over here, as you can see, this is the look. This is where the platform is. This is the Roblox Studio actual thing. I have worked open for a base plate. Okay, simple. Onto the left side, you can see a toolbox. You have a lot of categories to use options from. These are the tools that you can use in your game: vehicles, structures, light, tech, weapons, landscapes, furniture, and ads, materials. You can actually have materials. Okay, and over here, these are the ones that you have your own models created. You can create your own models and upload them over here. The recent ones you're working and the creations that are saved. Anyways, so this is the part of that. Okay, below, okay, this is a base plate, as you can see. Let's just move this material manager. Okay, this is known as a spawn location. This is where your game begins, as a spawn location, as the main location on Roblox Studio. Onto the right side, the Explorer file, as you can see, this thing, right? It's appearing on the right side. You have all the properties, all the, whatever the objects that you will see, everything, the coding will be done, and the object's name and everything is over here onto the right side. So what you can see is like spawn location. This is known as spawn location, as you can see, and inside that spawn location, the name is decal. You can change the name, of course. If you want to change it, you just rename it. Okay, okay, this is what you can detect, how where the file is, where the you can do the coding on it. Okay, so what you can do is actually you can go to service script service also, and you actually click on script, and there you go. This is where you're going to do write Lua language text based, and you can command whatever you want, however you want, and you can use the name of the object. You can say, I'm new to Roblox. Or you can give any command using the Lua language, okay? That's how its scripting is done. You can actually use how to direct an object using the name from the file. Okay, back to this base plate. As you know, these are the essential files from the right side. Now let's do on to come to the top part. You have copy, cut, duplicate option, obviously, which you can use for multiple objects and stuff. Select is that you have this something select. Okay, move is to move the object however you want. Okay, any object in any way. Okay, scale is to actually resize the object that you have. Okay, it's pretty easy. Whatever objects you can have a lot of objects over here. You can do whatever, the models, whatever you can do, apply on everything. Rotate is to rotate the, okay, this way. So this is how you hold and drag it and put it like this. Okay, you can rotate the object. Editor is the editor part. Toolbox is on to the left side. Part, as I was talking to you about that. Okay, just a second. Okay, now there it is. You have blocks, sphere, wedges. Let's click on a block. See, it is appearing over here. You can actually scale it again, increase the size of a block. There you go. Okay, you can create your own spawn location. You can change it. Okay, you can change the color of it. You can have a material. Which material you can have for this one? Okay, apply to selected area. Okay, and this is how actually this is done. Okay, let's do this way. Never mind. That is the selected area that are affected. Any okay. That's the part, okay, the base plate. Alright, this part has been done. Now let's close this. You don't need this and you can actually delete it. Okay, let's move on to color. You can actually change the color however you want. You can set it from the color chart. Over here you have something known as anchor. Okay, it's to lock the object that it's not going to move from that location. Okay, you just lock it, use the scale, and it is not movable at all because you anchored it. Okay, and lock works as the same, and the play option is to play and test run your game settings have updated. You can have multiple game settings. Okay, and that's it. That's about it. That's the basic introduction to Roblox Studio. You can actually learn to create your own games using text-based language. On the top you can have a model and a little bit more properties for the level. You can have effects. If you can see on to the right side, I'm working on it. Fire, point light, smoke, trail. These are the effects for the spawn location. Oh, you get another spawn location. Let's do a little fire effect. As you can see, that's a cool one, right? Children mostly like the fire effect. I don't know how to do the beam one. Okay, I just burned this. Anyways, so that's the effect on that you can use on a model. Okay, avatar you can have. Wow, so many. Let's do the woman rig. Where did that go? Okay, that's the one. That's a model. You can actually scale it. There you go. Oh, a dummy model. That's too huge. Okay, let's scale it a little bit smaller. Okay. Oh my god. Again, I messed it up. You have to understand how to use that. Okay. Anyways, it's actually far away, so you would need to drag it on your own. Anyways, let's move it, okay? Oh my god. I was using the move part. Okay, it's already there. As you can see, it's a little bit far. Anyways, that's the dummy. And what else? If you can transform the item. Okay. What else? I was working on the test. This is where you can test everything. View, you can have multiple view, full screen, screenshot you can take, you can record a video, and etc. Okay. Plugins, you can actually have some plugins installed into your games and make this more fun. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. Any questions, comment below. I'm here to answer them for you. Like, subscribe, and share. That would be appreciated. And thank you for your time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.